Jobby Hive is a platform for the professionals where they come and they rate and review their employers, and even the salary benchmarking. You want to see, you want to join Infosys today, so you want to know how is the culture in the company and how are the salaries in different sections in different locations in the company. So you would want to come and take a look at things in jobbyhive.com. Basically, it's a give and take model. So if you want to come and check out the employee reviews written by other employees of the companies, you would want to come and give yours. So that's how the data keeps on growing. So we launched in our public beta in September 2008, and since then we have grown by 1900%. Today we have around 2000 companies reviewed in India primarily. 90% of the data on jobbyhive.com is Indian, and some 10% in US and Europe. So we have been growing in a very good traction these days. People usually come to research the employers and to make a good career decision.
What is your revenue model?
Revenue model is primarily based on corporate subscribers base. So what we're going to give is we're going to give tools for employers to benchmark themselves with the industry. Today, if some company wants to know how it is faring with the competition in terms of work culture, in terms of salaries, so they can use our service. And the second thing is we will be giving our corporate blogging option. You know these days how one media negative post can really ruin a company's brand. So we'll give an opportunity for them to come and comment on a review written by an employee or answer questions and create a good publicity for them on the digital and media.
Are you looking for funding?
Yes, we are looking for funding right now, and we are in talks with a few VCs here.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. Hi, I'm representing you now. This is our setup box, and this is the remote. What we are doing is we are trying to bring the entertainment from internet to your TV, making TV as your internet hub. Okay. Idea is to bring all the videos which is available on the internet, get them to watch it on the TV, have a lean back experience. That's primarily what we are looking at. With Web 2.0, you have so many entertainment content, multimedia content sitting on the internet, but then PC is not the right place to enjoy those content. That's what we have a vision. We want to bring all those videos back to your TV with a click of remote. You should be able to watch all the videos available on the net with a click of remote. And our business model is pretty much a pass-through. We let content guys directly go to the consumer, be able to sell their content to the end consumer, and we basically take a revenue share from them for whatever we have for the technology for this support. Okay, and we have already launched our product in US just 2 weeks back. It's going pretty good. We are a privately funded company. Mr. Prakash Valerao is our CEO of the company. He's funded this company. Okay, and we are not exactly looking out for funding at this stage, but if there is serious interest, we can always proceed.
Hi, Travel Grid is a corporate travel and expense management solution, and we have this implemented for the large corporates, and we are also model with the SaaS-based model for medium and small companies, where corporate employees can put in his travel request, which is fulfilled by different service providers like ticketing vendors, taxi providers. We have accommodation and a visa, forex kind of a thing. And fulfilling agencies put their costs so that we are capturing the cost for their expense. So the employee completes his expense solution, which gets posted into their backend ERP systems. So this gives a complete travel solution for the corporate employees. Revenue model is that where we have for the large corporates, we on the product license we have the model, and for the small and medium companies, it is on the commission which you are going to charge from this fulfilling agencies, as well as a small fee on the transaction. Yes, we are looking for a funding to take this SaaS model in a bigger way, and around 1.5 million is what we are looking as a funding immediately.
Hi, first of all, my name is Vijay. I'm the CTO and co-founder of WisdomTap. We are a product search engine. We help people decide what is the best product to buy for their own individual needs. We are doing this by crawling the best discussion forums on the internet review sites, analyzing the data very deeply and coming up with a set of recommendations based on how you want to use the product. We have a couple of different revenue models. The first is we are selling this directly as a recommendation engine software to retailers who sell products on their website. This is because it has been shown that reviews by neutral people is one of the biggest conversion factors which help people decide what to buy. So using our product, retailers can help their customers conduct product research on their site. And the second is people who come to our destination site and then do product research, we will send them off to the retailer of their choice, who will then pay us an affiliate fee. We are looking for funding. We had raised an earlier angel round, and we built our first product based on it.
I'm Anish Achudan, CEO and founder of Cashnext Technologies, and this is Remina Rabiti, co-founder of Cashnext. Cashnext is basically a plug-and-play banking and mobile banking and ATM service that enables banks and financial institutions to offer banking and financial services to the banked and unbanked customers in the rural and semi-urban markets using on a pay-per-use basis. We uses the low-cost ATMs developed by TNet of IIT Chennai, and we got a mobile payment solution which works on voice encryption technology. We provide the services on a pay-per-use basis on banks, so we charge the banks on a per transaction basis for the ATM services and merchants for the mobile payment solution. Right now we are self-funded. We got our initial angel funding, and we are looking for raising our early stage funding.
I'm Anthony Shao, one of the co-founders of Entrip. Now, Entrip is an interesting new way of perceiving online travel. So effectively we're a map-based travel platform, and today at Headstart we are launching our first product, which is a map-based travel blog. So there are many ways to monetize Entrip itself. The travel blog, it'll be advertisement / lead generation, because I profoundly believe that a traveler is always searching for something, right? And they're generating actual leads on the map, on the location, at the location where the traveler is a very viable revenue model. Secondly, there'll be referral commissions through bookings, and there's some other things which I don't want to discuss. We have been bootstrapping, so we paid out of our own pockets. Then we raised a 5-digit number from friends and families, and we're looking for funding currently, but let's see what happens in these economic conditions. But I'd love to get funded.